Place your spool on the holder and pull the thread up and through the guidance hole. Then push it through from the back to front, then from side to side, right to left. Continue left and push it through the next guidance hole, and up and around the wheel counterclockwise. Then around the tension wheel clockwise, making sure it fits into the center groove, and around and over the bar. Down clockwise around this wheel, and pull up on the loop until you hear a click. Follow the guidance loops before and after threading the neck. Then move back down towards the needle. Pull the thread around the back loop at the top of the needle. Lift up your pressure foot. Always thread the needle left to right. It should look like this. The Pfaff and the Singer use the same size bobbin, so feel free to use the same ones for either. Place the bobbin in the bobbin holder either direction. Pull the thread through the slit on the side, under the tension plate, and up through the indent. Match it to the groove inside the case. Put the cap on and check for the tension. Now roll the wheel towards you to pick up the bottom thread. Pull it through the hole, close the top, and you're ready to start stitching.